we're heading out to Bankyا on the suggestion of Lima Zulu. So if you have suggestions on places that we can check out, let us know. But while we're waiting for the bus here, someone's turned up to say hello. What is that building, guys? Is it like a scrap yard? I see it's a restaurant there. Super curious about this one. Sausage dog. So this is the building that you come out to at the bus stop, that you get out of Bankyا. A guy was just walking past saying that it's probably an old hospital, but it's a very interesting building.
I think you called this place Bankso, Jess.
Oh, Bankyà, sorry.
Thank you.
We've been doing a lot of Bankso stuff lately. Bankyà. Beck's a little afraid he's to go inside.
Well, here's not so bad, but over there it was really dark looking inside. How cool is that? Not abandoned without a penis. I just want to tell everyone that since Becky's appearing more in all of the videos, chill out. What I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted by some road rage is that since I've allowed Becky into some of my videos, which she begged me to do, by the way. I did not.
Now she's decided.
I didn't.
Now she's decided that she can give directions on how to film,
I'm giving
how to put a story
notes.
together.
Editorial notes.
You know what she can do with those notes, hey? It's time for impressions now. And one thing that I notice is that it's so quiet. Maybe it's the season that we're in. Maybe it's the day. Not so sunny. It was sunny this morning. But yeah, it's just so quiet out here. So quiet and peaceful. We're in the park at the moment. And we're the only ones. Becky, what's your impressions?
So I really just concur with Jess. It's quite quiet. There was a nice local market, but there's only about 10 stalls. So what I think will help is if we are able to find a nice bakery
and have a coffee and some cake.
It's got a cafe vibe, a little bit like the Glass House Mountains, or I'm not very familiar with cafe vibe in the mountains of Australia. I could say Coranda, but Coranda is just not right.
Yeah. I will say, if you are looking for abandoned buildings that you can get access to without being dodgy, this is the place to come.
I think it's still a little dodgy, but whoever that dude was that said you can't, well, we've proved you wrong. Now that we've clearly infected ourselves with the Z virus, we're going to head on into the town, village, get ourselves a coffee and a cake, maybe.
Not maybe, definitely. In fact, it's more likely cake than coffee. And it's definitely coffee. So what does that say about cake?
She's desperate. This is what the Z virus does to you. We're now going for a little hike in the path of health. We're working up an appetite for dinner. We do know where we're going.
We stumbled across a street food van called, I think it was called The Little Chef, right? The guy came out from behind the van, spoke to us in English and gave us the rundown. Anyway, turns out he's a barbecue. He got it from Australia, sent to the UK and then delivered to Bulgaria. And he told us about what they provide there, and he got my stamp of approval when he said they do an Austrian type of mulled wine. I was like, yep, we're coming back here.
So we're very much looking forward to dinner.
Yep.
It will be an early one because we already want it. It's only 3 in the afternoon. So we'll just finish this hike and then we'll head over there.
Yep.
Starting our meal with a nice hot cup of mulled wine. Good, Beck?
Very nice. Are you hoping for more? Stop it!
We've just had our dinner at Little Chef's street van, which was very nice.
Tasty?
They were super friendly and they helped us with the whole menu. The manager came out and checked if it was all right.
Yeah, and he's the owner, so I think it's owned by a couple. They were very nice and they came out and they gave us a rundown of the business. And also they live here in Bankyا, but they've got a place in Sofia too. I'm going to tell all their business.
Yeah, sounds like it. Jeez.
No, they were just really nice, very accommodating.
They produced their own meat and you could really taste it. It was nice. The meat was super nice.
Angus.
Apparently Angus beef. And they had imported their barbecue from
Australia.
Yeah, they've imported their barbecue from Australia because they know how we do in Australia. So now it's time to head home.
But we're very grateful they don't have Australian prices. Thank you very much.
It's been a good day out at Bankyا. It was worth coming.
Absolutely.
But yeah, we're finished. And we'll definitely come back here for a hike probably, and maybe to visit a restaurant or two. Okay, peace. See you next time. Or as Becky would say in Sofia, au revoir. Because the walking surfaces in Sofia are so uneven, Bulgaria all over, Becky can't do 2 things at once. Otherwise, she will definitely fall to her demise. Is it true?
It is true.